Can I come back?
See me here now,
Oh, you
man.
pop through them.
I'm just coming back now. You didn't give me any pop show, man.
Yeah, I give you pop through, man.
No, man.
You see a car round there going round, go plant.
Oh, yeah. Plant them at the school.
For the
Yes.
children them.
Yes, at the school. At my
I
kids'
want them, if you see them, you have to feed the people them all in a Christmas with them.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, me give sister body some. We all ahead them.
So how you didn't give me any money?
No, you never want no more plant, you know.
Man, you're not dealing with me. So this is Prof's yard, and he's a beekeeper and a farmer. And he's actually the minister of agriculture. This dude.
He doesn't speak.